Hi ladies, Latricia from version 2 point of view. Let's continue with the top 6 things that make a guy want to date you. And this one is about you being flirtatious. Girls, being flirtatious, mixed with you being a little bit cocky and unpredictable now and then, is such a powerful combination, you won't believe it. Some of the best ways of flirting with a guy are: maintain focused eye contact with him during a conversation. Smile when you look him straight in the eyes. Try to compliment him regularly, on his clothes, his haircut, or the things he just said. Also, intentionally try to blush now and then, when you look in his direction. In general, try to give him as much attention as you can, every time he opens his mouth or looks at you. Alright ladies, that's it. Stay tuned for my next video. Out real soon.